So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if you are not able to find the Wi-Fi adapters right there on your system. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the settings. First of all, find the name of your Wi-Fi that is installed on your system. Just simply go to device specifications, and here you'll find the details about all the architecture that is installed on your system. Now here, if I show you, just simply go to Wi-Fi settings in the network and internet, click on hardware properties, and here you'll find the name of description of your Wi-Fi. Just simply copy it. Now simply open any of the browser you have here, search for, paste it, and hit driver for Windows or whatever window that you have. Click over the first website that appear, download the driver from here, and you can easily install that particular driver, and that will fix the issue of drivers missing from your system. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.